Izzy had a birthday. Let's go wake her up with her favorite treat. She's 22 years old. Where is Izzy? She's sleeping like an angel in her favorite little bunk bed. Izzy. Hi, Muffin. Oh, right to business. Happy birthday. Wow, we didn't even get a meow. You really like getting breakfast in bed? Oh, ravenous. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Boo. Happy birthday, dear Izzy. Happy birthday to Boo. Izzy Boo and many more. We got Izzy when she was 5 years old from the Keene, New Hampshire Humane Society. She came with her little birth record from her prior owner, and her birth date, October 4, 2003. So this month, Izzy turned 22 years old. But you wouldn't know it. She's a little lion. She has a lion cut. She's a little spring chicken. She has a great appetite and a very fulfilling life here at Frenzy Farm. Yes, she does lots of things. She still is a mouser, so I put out have-a-heart traps to try to catch the little baby mice before Izzy does. And that's where she gets one of her nicknames, Diana, Goddess of the Hunt. She's a very good little hunter. You wouldn't know it, but she can be ferocious at night. She's also a midnight snuggler. She comes into our bed, middle of the night, coos like a pigeon, wants pets and snuggles, and wants us both to wake up and give them to her. And we do. Because she has a theme song. Whatever Izzy wants, Izzy gets. Because her vet said so. So whatever Izzy wants, she gets. She just enjoyed her whole delectable treat while I just chatted. That was like 2 minutes of nom-noms, Izzy. Nom-nom. She's gonna ask for more. She always does. Happy birthday, Boo Muffin. There's still a little morsel here. A little tasties. What would Katina's kilo say? Leave no doubt. That's right, Izzy. Lick that plate clean. She finished her birthday pate in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Good job, Izzy. Yeah, we yummies. That was real good, huh? Oh, there might still be a little bit of lickings here. A lot of people say Izzy looks like a Maine Coon cat, but she is just a sweet little mutt of a cat. They call this a domestic medium hair. There's a domestic long hair. There's a domestic short hair. And Izzy is in the middle. She's just a fuzzy little tabby cat with gorgeous turquoise eyes. Right, Izzy? There they are. Those pretty eyeballs. Yum, yum. And we gave her a lion cut because she doesn't want to groom herself anymore. And she used to love her grooming and her brushing. But now that she's getting older, she probably has a little arthritis, the vet said, so she just does not want me to brush her anymore. So we did a little lion cut. Oh, grooming now. you had a tasty treat and you're gonna just clean your face and then go back to bed? Yeah. I gotta get my 18 hours in. You sweet little muffin. Alright, well, happy birthday, Boo. I hope you're all having a great day. Izzy is doing awesome, and we're on our way to the Guinness World Record. We say that every year, but honestly, she's got like 4 years to go before she's even in the running. Yep, we'll make it. Oh, Izzy. Oh, now you're grooming to show them that you do groom. Auntie Cow is full of lies. Look at me grooming. Oh, wow. Making a big show of it. Oh my, now the tail? Yeah, that was just too delicious. I can't handle it. Yeah, she is feeling so good today. She is grooming like a pro. Good girl, Izzy. Itchy ear. Alright. Well, we'll leave this little queen alone in her little tuffet. Izzy keeps it warm for when the children come to visit. Good job, Boo. Alrighty. We love you. We miss you. And we'll see you soon.